Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. In front of you is Karen Cervantes. I'm 34 years old. I'm a single parent. I have 3 brothers. I'm the youngest in the family. I have 1 son and 2 daughters. I work in 2 countries as a domestic helper. First was in Saudi and another one was in Kuwait. When I was in Saudi, I took care a 10 years old boy. When I was in Kuwait, I took care a 7 years old girl. Aside from taking care of growing kids, I can take care newborn because I have 3 babies of my own. I can do cleaning, washing, ironing, and cooking. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn more salary and give more financial support to my family. I hope you like me, Ma'am and Sir. I hope you will consider my application and I hope to see you very soon in Hong Kong. Have a good day and God bless.